Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we are going over some quick news and technical analysis on VeChain. So as you can see, we slightly broke the wedge right here, just barely. If we go over to the 4-hour time frame, you could see it a little bit better. I mean, it's debatable where you draw your lines, because I mean, I could move this up just a tad bit and straighten it out a little bit, and it still falls within the wedge. So let's hope we get a full breakout within the next couple days here. Like I was saying, it's going to take at least two more days to know exactly which way we're going to be going. So we got September 16th and September 17th. So I'm overall very bullish at this point. I mean, if you look at BTC right now as well, you can see we are definitely moving higher. We're almost at 48,000, and people were talking about 47,000 being the key resistance that we needed to break to continue this uptrend. So once we get back up to the high of 53,000, then I think this thing is absolutely just gonna rocket off. And obviously coins like VeChain, Ethereum, and altcoins are all going to follow. They might not all follow the exact same pattern, but an overall uptrend for sure will obviously be followed when Bitcoin breaks its new high. So yeah, it's looking pretty good so far, guys. We're still in this wedge, and I think as days and days go on, everybody's becoming a little bit more bullish on crypto in general. Everybody thought this was the end, and it's definitely not. So we're just going to see where things lead for the end of this bull market, but let's hope for a nice little breakout. We could see a day of coming back down to maybe 11 cents, 11.28 cents, but that's unlikely. I think just with how things are going right now, I think we're going to break out this triangle early and just start moving up, hopefully. Now, as far as news goes, VeChain just posted this an hour ago. They said, we're onboarding a new client in the pet food industry. Premium Shanghai brand will be using VeChain's food traceability. So this is obviously great. They're on another project on board on VeChain, another partnership for them. This is absolutely awesome. And to be honest, if you just watch VeChain's Twitter page and just keep up with the latest news, it seems like they're always making new brand deals, always just a lot of partnerships going on with VeChain, and everything is just great news. They're expanding, and pretty soon I'm really hoping we see a nice pump in VeChain's price. Like I said in my other video, everybody's kind of following all the hot cryptos right now, like Cardano, Algo, Solana. To be honest, I was thinking about jumping on some of those, but it's too late at this point. You gotta find these projects when nobody's really talking about them. You could load up, and when people start talking about them, they get popular, they just start skyrocketing. So whether VeChain gets the recognition that they need in this bull run or the next bull run, it's either way, it's gonna be great for them. Even if it doesn't reach the $1 mark that everybody wants to see by the end of this bull run, I still think VeChain will do great things. And as long as you're patient, this thing will eventually get to $1, whether it be this bull run, next bull run. Just keep accumulating and you'll get there eventually. So now hopping back over to the charts, as you can see, we're at the 12-cent level now. We're officially at 12 cents, so that's great. Starting to get smaller and smaller, and hopefully we just break out. Now, as far as price predictions go for VeChain, I like to keep my price predictions a little bit conservative. Now, I think if we had a little bit more action earlier on in this bull run and didn't have this 3-month lull right here where we just got destroyed everybody, then I would say VeChain could definitely get to $1 this bull run. Now, if some big news comes out and VeChain finally gets a lot of recognition, then that'd be great, and it would pump the price like crazy. But I definitely do think we are going to break all-time highs, which is 28 cents. We're going to break all-time highs, I believe, and we're probably going to be in the range of 50 to 60 cents by the end of the year or the end of the bull run. Now, I'm just going to tell you guys my personal plan. I've been dollar cost averaging into this. I started buying when it was at, I think it was somewhere up here. It was 20 cents I started buying. I tried to get in on this dip, didn't get that, so I started buying right here, and everything got crushed. I bought a little bit more. I didn't catch the bottom. I believe this thing almost went down to 5 cents at one point, 6 cents. Didn't catch the bottom there. I believe I got some more around 7 or 8 cents, and then I bought some more at 12 cents. So I'm not really sure what my average cost basis is, but my plan is once it gets to all-time highs, I'm probably going to sell half of my position and then let the rest ride for the bull run, and take a little bit of profits here and there, and probably leave myself with 10,000 coins in there, just so that if something parabolic goes absolutely insane, then I'll have some more coins. But I think either way, I'm going to sell about half of them at all-time high and get rid of the about 75% more eventually as it keeps going up, and keep about 25% of my coins just standing. So yeah, guys, that is my plan for VeChain. It's doing really good right now. We're definitely gonna have to see what's gonna happen in the next couple hours here, and a couple days as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.